All right, so again, this is a short video and it's a quick one. The crux of this video is to show you how you can insert shell command output in the editors like Vim and Emacs. Clear? Okay, so let me reiterate. In this video, I'll show you the trivialities of inserting shell command output in the editor like Vim and Emacs. Okay, to fathom what I have said, let me start with the Vim. Let me go to my terminal and demo of inserting shell command output into Vim buffer. I wrote this explicitly so you can see. Let me zoom in so people can see. So if I open this file, V is a shorthand for Vim, okay, and bang, I'm inside it. Okay, so now if I do in general sense, go to ex prompt by pressing colon, and then if I write bang, that is denoted redirected to shell. That's a common way. And if I do ls and if I say Emacs scripts, okay, an arbitrary directory in my home directory. So I'm trying to get the enlisting of that particular directory in a shell output. That bang, look at the bottom of the screen, that bang denotes that that command should be executed on the shell, although I'm inside Vim. Okay, so if I press enter, see, I've been thrown to the shell window, okay, where the output get enlisted. Okay, so if I, as it says, press enter or type command to continue, if I press enter, I'm back inside Vim. Now this is a common operation to check your shell command on the terminal itself, right, from Vim. Now what if I want the output of a particular shell command in the buffer, like in this buffer where I am in. Okay, so this is a empty Vim buffer and I want to insert the shell command output in this particular buffer. Okay, so all I have to do, go to the ex prompt, just press R. Okay, you see, look at the bottom of the screen, I press R, which denotes reads. Okay, then bang, which signifies I need to execute the shell command. Okay, if I'm in a shell prompt, I should start writing like this. Bang denote for shell commands, and this time ls, and I have to provide the directory that's in my home directory, Emacs script, that's an arbitrary directory, and I want that output of that particular command, the ls command on that particular directory, to be inserted on this buffer where I am in. It's an empty Vim buffer, right? So if I press enter, bang, the output of the shell command gets inserted in the buffer where you are in. Pretty cool, right? You can take a cue out of it and use other command if you wanted to insert into the buffer. Okay, extremely useful. Think about it. Okay, this is a Vim way of inserting shell command output into a Vim buffer. Okay, likewise, if I go to my Emacs, this is my Emacs client running on terminal. Okay, so the same command output, say for this instance, this is a scratch buffer in Emacs. I want to insert the output of that particular shell command in this scratch buffer where my cursor is right I am in. Okay, so all I have to do, control U signifies it's a universal argument. Okay, if I press control U and meta and exclamation, look at the bottom of the screen, it's prompting me for the shell command. Meta exclamation is the basic command to give you a shell command prompt. Now if I write ls, okay, and if I give okay, the same, look at the bottom of the screen, I give the same command to enlist the file inside the Emacs script directory, what I did in Vim, right? All the only thing is that I prefix this command with control U, then meta and exclamation, which prompt me this shell command. Now I'm giving a ls to a particular directory which resides in my home directory. If I press enter, bang, the output of the shell command gets pasted on the current buffer. Extremely useful. You can think of other situation too. You probably writing something, you probably doing something, and you wanted to inject some sort of shell command, or probably you wrote something which might be injected in the document you probably writing in the editor, whether it's Vim or Emacs, doesn't matter. Okay, so let me show you. You can also, the similar way, you can execute the script you wrote. Okay, so you can easily output the similar kind of stuff like this. This is the simplest possible way to inject some shell command into your editor's buffer. This is very extremely useful. That's why I'm making this video. If you are not aware, it will be helpful you to know about it. Okay, so I hope it will be useful for some people. Thanks for watching.